What up, Tube? Good morning to you. I live in Florida, and we had a entire state internet outage last night, and of course, all of my smart devices just got wiped out. Like they're all blinking now and everything. I use the Wyze switches and the Wyze plugs, which I've got a whole video playlist of those. Even matter of fact, installing this. But if you're having an issue, like if it disconnects, the plugs always do, by the way, and I'm going to call Wyze about that. But the switches I never had a problem with until the actual internet went down. So I want to show you exactly how to reset this. So here we go first. So what you want to do is see how it's blinking like that. You want to hold it in for, I think it's about 10 seconds or so. It'll stop and it'll blink really slowly. Maybe. There we go. Oh, I guess. There we go. See it shut off? Okay, now I'm going to go, see how it's blinking slowly. Now I'm going to go to screen recorder. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go in your Wyze app. Now one thing I did is I went in, let me move this over here. I went in and what I did was, there was a device on there, as you can see I have those. I deleted it first, which is over here at these red dots. I'm not going to touch it because I just redone those. So I'm going to hit done. So what you're going to do is you're going to add. In an add device, it's just like setting it up. I wanted to show you how to reset it, and then hit your Wyze Switch. And then what you're going to do is, I put it right up next to the, I'm actually like right next to it, like literally almost touching it. And what it's going to do is it's going to look for your cell signal, or I mean, sorry, your internet signal. And then I'm going to type this in. And then you're going to connect it. And it's connecting to the cloud and then added. And when it finishes, as you can see, it's set up Alexa, name it. This is my closet. And continue. And I never share. And now as you can see, it's working. So let's go back here. And as you see, it's not blinking anymore. Alexa, turn on the closet. Alexa, turn off the closet. And there you have it. So if you have an internet outage, that's how you reset your switch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and catch out my other videos. See ya.